Hey guys, Lance the Austin teacher here. This video I'm going to show two of the four winners that I had. I actually did more of a swing trade. First two trades were pretty standard, 9.65%, 4%. We hit stop loss break even on those. I'm going to go over and focus these. So 41.86% and 45.83%. Our first trade was with SPY, 9:35 Central, 15 seconds. I entered a 695 call for 0.43. Waited a while on it, but sold it at 0.61. We're actually over 0.7 on the actual contract at one point. Alright, so right at 9:30, we had a really large green candle, and I was also already profitable for the day. Not on my target profit, but very close to it. Saw an EMA up for a bullish signal here. Went above the PDH, previous day high. And I got in a little bit later, got in at 9:35. And my main goal was to get a slightly out of the money contract. So 692.31 was where I was at. I bought out of the money looking to hit the R1 level at 695. So again, I bought the 695 call a little bit out of the money, and I was only risking $43 for one contract on this. I didn't want to have a winning day into a losing day. So 695 call when we're at 694 or so. So one strike out of the money on it. And you can see it just kept moving up. Right here was one of the peaks. I ended up closing on this red bar here, but still a 40% return off, about 25 minutes. And all I did was I was watching the premium later on. I did set an alert at the PDH 692. So we're at 693 and I went down to 692. I would have closed it out, but I wasn't risking a ton of cash on this because I only did one contract. Then at 10:28 and 17 seconds, QQQ had another similar setup. I took the 616 call for 0.48, and then 20 minutes later, closed it up at 0.7. So we got QQQ 10:28, 616, 10:28 right here, 616, even though we're at 614. 10:28 was around here. I was looking for an R3. So if we went up from 614 to 616, would have been a really good profit off it, because then that out of the money strike would have turned it in the money. Still made a good return, kept moving up, and closed it out for a good profit. Again, 40% on both of those. That was a 45%. That was an EMA 8 swing trade. Tried to go to R3. The previous one tried to go to R1. So I made $130 for the day. And current stats, the average percent went up a bit to 9.78%. And a 93.5% win rate. And $2,000 account made $3,313 in profits. I will be scaling up on this once I fund my Roth IRA. So if you're interested in a larger account size and how I do these trades, you want to join the SRX level system, at least try it out for a month. I think you'd really enjoy it. Again, this is Lance the Austin teacher. Hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.